Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Black Corny and I'll be glad to show you guys how I achieved this flawless look. But first of all, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share. Let's go straight to business. First, you have to clean your face. Second, I'm using my classic brow pencil for my brows, Elegant Pro concealer to conceal it. Next up, I'm using zikel powder to brighten my brows a bit. Up next, this is pretty IVY powder palette, using one of the shades, I think medium to, I don't know, but it's for my base, to give it a flawless and soft look. Up next, I'm using my Kiss Beauty eyeshadow primer. You have to open your eye to see where to cut your crease cuts from. I'm using my purple eyeshadow from Adventure. Yeah, I think so. I'll drop the link below. You have to blend it in more to give you not too heavy, because we are not trying to achieve a smoky eye look here, so you just have to blend it more. You get that? Keep blending, just blend it. Now I'm using my eyeshadow primer as well, because I need to apply another shade there, and you have to make it in shape, put it in shape rather, your crease. I'm using my brown eyeshadow. I hope this comes out nice. That's to be in line. Blend it. This is my pretty IVY palette, still using the shade medium for my base as well, trying to dust out the excess. I'm using the darker shade. I want to give my eyeshadow a well-defined look. We don't want those lines to start showing, so you just have to dust it out with a darker shade, not so dark. Still using my zikel powder. I want my eyeshadow and my brows to pop, so you have to highlight it for them to pop. Check this out. Oh yeah. Sorry guys, I didn't show you guys how I did my eyeliner, but my next video I'll be doing it. I got this new powder from Kiss Beauty. This is the first time I'm trying it. I hope it's nice. Oh yeah, it's nice. Yeah, for my highlights I'm using Elegant Pro concealer. When you want to blend, you blend it in. Now I'm using classic, I think blackest shade for my contour. Yeah, it says. Oh, this is my classic powder. This powder is to die for, trust me. Check out the difference. I told you. Right now I'm using my zikel powder. I'm using it to like my setting powder. Yeah. And to highlight. I'm using my classic powder to brush out the excess. You need to dust it out to give it a flawless look. Yeah. Using the same shade of purple I use up down. This is for my tears drop, same shade with the brown, just to give it a unique look. My Pretty IVY blush. Ew, this is too much, but don't worry, I have to dust out the excess as well. Using my Pretty IVY medium to just give it a smooth, not too dark but light look a bit. So if you're wondering how I did this, I use my powder to dust out, make it a bit light. Oh, my Anastasia Beverly heels. Should I say it's a glow kit? Girl, check this out. Check this out. Oh, are you serious? This is to die for. Did same thing to my brows. I just wanted to pop. Let it just glitz. You get there? Not too much. For my lip, I'm still using my classic eye pencil in the shade brown to line my lip. Check this out. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Babe, I love this look and I hope you love this look as well. Tell me you do. Thanks for staying to this point. I appreciate. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Check this out. See you guys in my next video. Bye.